Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For those people that yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe like by Cynthia. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please click on the notification below for more upcoming videos adventure. For today's video guys, let's explore the Mother of All Asia Tower of Peace, one of the biggest statues of Mother Mary in Philippines. The place is beautiful. The scenery and ambience are very calming. We went there Sunday, having Sunday Mass inside the statue base with large chapel is crowded. It is a half-built amusement park at the area. To visit the view deck in the Mother Mary statue, you need to enter the basilica and required to purchase the ticket worth 150 pesos for regular tourist and for children under 7 years old of age free. For senior citizens, student and PWD required to pay 100 pesos. At the view deck, you can see the peaceful Valle Verde passage in a 180-degree angle. This place has a great view of the sea. Overlooking the edge of Lobo Batangas, you can see the ferries. Mother of All Asia Tower of Peace is a monument shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary as a symbol of unity and peace in Asia and the whole world. It is located at the center of the 8-hectare pilgrimage site called Monte Maria International Pilgrimage and Conference Center in Sitio Monte Maria, Barangay Pagkilatan, Batangas City, Philippines. It is the world's tallest statue of Virgin Mary at 98.15 meters, 322.0 feet, which includes the plinth and building it stands on. The construction of a statue of the Virgin Mary and pilgrimage site at the Monte Maria development in Batangas City. My whole family has been there seeing and exploring the beautiful place in Batangas, like Mother of All Asia. Don't miss this opportunity to visit Mother of All Asia Tower in peace. See you to my next video. Sukran!
As you can see, maluwag ang parking dito. Tapos yan, under construction pa rin. VIP room sa taong tawag. Pagkakarinig ko kanina. Tapos yung hanging bridge kanina, may ilaw siya kapag gabi. Kaso hanggang 6 lang. Yan, at ito, yan hanggang 6:30 lang ata. Yan, makikita natin hindi pa siya tapos dito. Ano po? Bali, tatlo ang tourist attraction nila dito. Yan, Tapos yun. Kung mapapansin na sa ibabaw niyan, yan. Pwede pa kayong umakyat. Yan. And make sure sa lahat ng estudyante dapat may dala kayong school ID. Hari ang mga activity. Dini. Tapos pagkatapos mo doon sa glass mo, lakad konti. Punta tayo doon. Yabang!
Strong, independent team.
Grabe, bagong langis yung tuhod.
Kaya kasi lahat ng video lang sa cinema.
Oo. So this is Monte Maria. Yan. Sa harapan makikita natin yung
Grabe!
super extra boy ah. So ayan. Tapos dito kailangan nyo maglagay ng shurag.
Dito naman tayo sa pinapagawa ko.
Okay, yan, sige.
Stairway to Heaven.
Stairway to Heaven kasi kapag nangatog ka, laglag ka.
Pag nangatog ka, diretso ka sa heaven. Iya ko sa'yo. Ay, pati sir, kung ginagawa mo? Nga ako, nervous nga ako. Nakakawin natin.
Susuntukin kita. Boss Ben. Baka may yan yan. Sinisigurado ko lang, kaibigan. Ayun na siya. Mak, dito na ako. Basta yung bag ko.
Tignan mo yung ano.
Hmm.
Ganda nung mako.
Awi.
Galing. Ilaw na yung ano.
Yan, may option kayo kapag di kayo mag-elevator, tulad sa amin na overload, pwede kayo maglakad at pwede kayo bumili dito. Sa second floor. Tatlong floor lang naman siya kaya madali lang eh. Tapos yan, yung mga benta dito. Yan, 3K. Money tree at tawag yan eh. Mga ganyan. So, may notice na you break it, you buy it, syempre. Masira mo eh. Boy. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos, yung mga hikaw, kwintas, bracelets, and keychains. Ito, actually marami siyang section. Yan. Mga keychain. At hindi mawawala ang nails. Extension nails.